we are going to be making some candied cashews. So I'm working with a little bit of space and a baby screaming in the background, but figured I'd show you guys what I'll be doing. So I've got 2 large mixing bowls, 2 whisks, some egg whites, vanilla, brown sugar and granulated sugar, cinnamon and salt, and my cashews. I will post in the description down below what I will be using increment wise, and don't mind my dirty dishes in the back. I have 3 kids. So first we are going to mix some things together. So we're going to mix in one bowl our egg whites, or egg white, and our vanilla in one bowl. And then in our other bowl, we're going to put in our cinnamon sugars, or cinnamon and salt, and our sugars. Kids quacking in the background. So we're just going to whisk until it's well combined. Just ignore the kiddos, or if you like it, comment down below if you have kids. Do they like to make animal sounds all day? I love it. It's cute. They're doing it with their great-grandfather, so it's even cuter. Oh, now he's getting mad because he's got to get down. Okay, so I'll break this up a little bit more and mix it. And we're going to move on to this, and we're going to do this until it's light and frothy. Okay, so our egg white and vanilla is frothy. This is mixed up. Next, we're just going to add our cashews and just kind of stir that till they're evenly coated. Okay, next I have my helpers with me. I've got my daughter recording, got my son messing with the cashews. Next, after they're evenly coated, show them these. They're evenly coated. We're going to pour them into our sugar and cinnamon mixture. Cheers. Okay, show them this. And then we're just going to, again, toss these until they're evenly coated. It's really dark, so. Okay. Once these are evenly coated, we have our baking tray with our silicone mat and our oven tub set to 250 degrees. And I lost my help.
You eat some. You eat some.
Look my hat. Look at hat.
Danny.
Okay. Come on. Look at that. What?
Evenly coated. Okay, and then we're trying to break something, bud. Now he's mad, and we're just going to take these, pour them out, and spread them out.
No, you can't have no knife. You sit there.
He just really wants to sit on the counter.
What? There.
Make sure they're flat.
Yeah.
Okay, there they are. And then we're going to just put them in the oven and cook them for 50 minutes at 250 degrees. Okay, so we put them in the oven, and after 20 minutes, we'll come back and stir them and then finish cooking for their other 30 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes, and we're just going to come in here and stir these up a little bit, toss them around, and then put them back in for another 30 minutes. They smell so good. Okay, our pecans have cooled down, and as you can see, I can lift this up and they're just a big, like they're just clumped together, but they break up really easily. So there we have it. Let's try one. You want to try one, little man? We're going to try this one right here. You want to try one? Yeah? What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.